What if your blood pressure is not just a number, but a warning? What if the real danger is not one high reading, but the pattern behind it? And what if artificial intelligence could detect that hidden danger before serious symptoms begin? Many people think blood pressure is simple. If it is high, they worry. If it looks normal, they relax. But health is often not about one reading. It is about the pattern. A blood pressure pattern may sometimes hint at something much bigger happening inside the body. It may reflect stress on the heart, kidney trouble, poor circulation, hormone imbalance, or sleep problems. Now AI is starting to help doctors and researchers look beyond a single number. It can study patterns and combinations of health signals that humans may miss at first glance. In this video, let us look at how your blood pressure pattern may hide a bigger problem. Blood pressure goes up and down naturally. That alone is not unusual. But when readings stay high or stop following a healthy rhythm, that pattern may matter. For example, pressure that stays high in the morning or spikes often under mild stress, or blood pressure that swings up and down too much or seems normal only in one setting. Sometimes the body is sending a message long before pain or other symptoms appear. A pattern may suggest the heart is under pressure or blood vessels are stiffening. It may even point toward sleep apnea, metabolic issues, or increased stroke risk. So the danger is not always in one shocking number. Sometimes the danger is hidden in repetition. Let us be clear, a blood pressure pattern alone does not confirm a disease, but it can raise important questions. A concerning pattern may sometimes be linked with serious risks. This includes heart disease, risk of stroke, kidney disease, or diabetes-related complications. It can also be linked to sleep apnea, chronic stress overload, or hormone-related disorders. This is why doctors often want home monitoring and sometimes 24-hour tracking. Because one reading is a moment, a pattern is a story. This is where artificial intelligence becomes powerful. AI can analyze large amounts of data much faster than a human can. Instead of one number, it compares time of day, heart rate trends, and sleep data. It can also look at weight changes, activity levels, and even medication response. That means AI may notice when a pattern looks unusual or worthy of closer attention. For example, it may flag a person whose blood pressure looks fine in a clinic but risky at home. In the future, this could become even more common through smart monitors and wearables. Many serious health problems build slowly. They do not always begin with dramatic symptoms. A person may feel mostly fine while hidden damage is already developing. That is why early detection matters. Noticing a risky pattern early gives someone time to change their diet and improve sleep. It also provides an opportunity to manage stress and become more active. Early action may reduce the chance of severe complications later in life. This is very important. AI is not a replacement for a doctor. It is a tool. It can support detection, but it should not be treated like a final diagnosis. Blood pressure can change because of anxiety, activity, poor sleep, caffeine, or temporary stress. If your readings are frequently high or unstable, it is wise to speak with a professional. Your blood pressure may be saying more than you realize, not just high or low, but a hidden pattern. By spotting risky changes earlier, AI may bring attention to problems that might otherwise stay unnoticed. The future of healthcare may not only be about treating disease, it is about detecting patterns sooner. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments, do you regularly check your blood pressure or only when something feels wrong?